I'm so happy I landed here. It's been such a relief and probably the best roommate experience and move-in experience I've had. We love the new up and coming, all the restaurants, all the bars, cafes, things like that. It's super walkable, which we like, and we felt very safe. We thought this apartment is so beautiful, and it is not anything like the other apartments we've toured. We thought it was very unique, and we loved that. So shared living means that you guys are sharing a common space, but each of your own rooms is your own lease, and you have your own private lock, your private bathroom, and air conditioning, heating system. So you kind of are responsible for those things, and then the living room, the kitchen is more shared. We have so much fun together, but we also love that we have our own separate spaces and our own private bathrooms, so we definitely don't run into any issues. The shared living units being fully furnished was super helpful for us as college students. Sometimes furnishing a whole apartment can be a financial burden, so that was really helpful for us. I would say shared living is really beneficial when you are having roommates, especially if you end up with a random roommate. It's helpful because you don't have to worry about maybe any obstacles they run into. You're just responsible for your own lease, and we don't have to worry about any miscommunications or any delays and getting rent paid. It's just all on our own.